Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Gregory from Friday Night at Freddy's Security Breach. Okay, so I'm going to lay this out with pencil. So I'm going to have his head here, his shoulders, here's his arm and his other arm. And there's his shirt, pants, and legs. There we go. Okay, now I am ready. So we're gonna start with his hair. So we're gonna start with a line that comes up, down, and we're gonna put some little zigzaggies. And then on this side, it's gonna come down, zigzaggy. And then we're gonna have a line that starts here, comes out slightly, comes down, and then back into that hairline. All right, then we're gonna draw the bangs, which are gonna be zigzaggy. And we'll put some more kind of hairlines through there. And now we're ready for the eyebrows. So just a simple eyebrow. And he's got great big eyes. Just like so. And we have a line above it for his eyelid. And then we have the nose that comes down here like that. And then we have the mouth right there, bottom lip, top lip. So we're not actually drawing the whole mouth. And then I suppose we should put in another eye. There we go, great big eye. Eyelid, a little bit of eyebrow. I think I should have moved his eyebrow up a little bit. Okay, or I'll move this one down. There you go, we'll make this be hair here. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the shoulder. So, actually, no, I take that back. Let's draw the neck. So we're gonna have a line coming down like that. Then we're gonna have a line coming down like this. Coming back up, and then we'll have a line coming down like that for his shoulder. And we got another line coming zigzagging down for his shirt. Here's his undershirt, and then we've got a kind of like a half circle here for where his arm comes out, comes back up and around for his shoulder. And we have his arm coming down and across. It looks like he's got like a watch or something on here. Line coming back, up, and then his hand comes out, down, back in, because he's got his fingers clenched. There we go. Then his other arm comes down like so. And then he's got his thumb, and we've got the top of his hand, his fingers. There we go. All right, so now we got to get his shirt on him. So his shirt kind of comes out here, comes across and back up like so. And we'll draw a line coming down here, put some buttons on it. There we go, that looks good. Then we got his pants. Just a little V. There we are. Put a little detail here. Some pockets on it. And then we've got his legs. And he's got these thick socks. And he's got his shoe here. There we go. And then this leg is kind of bent. There's the knee, calf. Here's those thick socks again. Shin. Here's the shoe. With the shoelaces. All right, and there is Gregory from Friday Night at Freddy's. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.